In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Books visible in Google Workspace. If you're looking to integrate Google Books with your Workspace tools, you're in the right place. This process will only take about 5 minutes, so let's get started. First, you need to go to Google Workspace. If you're not familiar with it, Google Workspace is a collection of cloud computing, productivity, and collaboration tools developed by Google. Once you're there, the next step is to click on the admin console. This is your control panel for managing all things Google in your organization. It gives you access to critical company information and settings. Now you'll need to log in using your business email. Make sure you have all your login details handy. Once you've entered your credentials, click Next to proceed. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top right corner. You're going to click on the Google Apps menu. It's usually a grid icon that holds all the Google apps that you have access to. From this menu, you'll want to locate and click on the admin icon. It should be easy to spot if you're familiar with Google Workspace. After you've clicked on the admin icon, let's move on to the next step. Click on Apps. This section lists all the applications that you can manage within Google Workspace. Here you'll find everything from Gmail to Google Drive, and of course what we're looking for today. Once you're in the Apps section, search for additional Google services and click on it. This is where Google Books is found. You're now approaching the final steps. Click on Google Books. You're almost there. Once you've clicked on it, you'll see an option to turn on the service status. If it's off or grayed out, you'll need to switch it on. This is the key step that makes Google Books visible in your Google Workspace. Finally, don't forget to click on Save to ensure all your changes are applied. It's a small step, but a crucial one. Without saving, you'll have to go through this process again. With these steps completed, Google Books should now be visible across your Google Workspace, meaning you and your team can start integrating this valuable resource into your daily workflow. That's it, you've just made Google Books visible in your Google Workspace. This integration can really enrich your user experience by giving easy access to a vast library of resources right at your fingertips. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helped make things easier for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Until next time, happy reading and exploring with Google Books.